Our first video tutorial is a visual CV designed on visualcv.com. I will show you key interactive features that makes a visual CV incredibly versatile in comparison to a traditional CV. I have tailored the CV to specific jobs in the digital marketing industry, using visual communication to evidence the practical skills I have developed. As a guiding point, when you create your visual CV, focus on detailing your qualifications in a pictorial and persuasive language. Do not detract from this rule, as it may lead to your visual CV becoming more of a concept art. Focus on finding a balance between your qualities and your qualifications. The higher pitch section. How can you add strategic value to the company that you're applying for? This section is a summary of key selling points about yourself and how it matches the job specification of the job that you're applying for. This section is essentially a mini version of a covering letter, written in a persuasive language. It's not necessary for you to add this. You may customize your visual CV as you like. However, I have added this section as a sort of pitch to lower the recruiter in, and I advise you to include this. The digital media portfolio section. Depending on your profession, this could be a portfolio of media that you have created. In the case of a graphic designer, this could be a brochure. As an architect, this could be an architectural design work. In this particular example, on display we see a portfolio of marketing campaigns and graphic work I have produced. If your profession has little or no emphasis on media, you might want to avoid having a media portfolio section altogether, and instead focus on filling the publication portfolio section at the bottom. The hard skills section. The grading system where you may grade yourself as experienced in certain technical skills from beginner to expert level is useful for employers, as it gives them an indicator of just how proficient you are, and ultimately suitability for the role on offer. I have listed here my technical skills in using social media tools such as Hootsuite and Adobe Design Suites. The publication section. If you have produced case studies, reports, evaluations from university modules or from work experiences, or even your thesis, you may include them here. This section should reveal your extensive knowledge based in your professional field. As examples, I have uploaded my dissertation and a social media report that I wrote as part of a research paper module. The soft skills section. This section requires you to visually communicate your soft skills. I have uploaded pictures that depict the development of my team working, communication and personal enterprise skills. In the description section, describe how you've developed a skill implied in the picture using the STAR principle. As you can see here, this is the STAR principle. This is the order in which you should use to structure how you developed a skill. The reference section. Downloadable references from your previous jobs. This is an optional feature that offers the hirer a selection of references to choose from when they view your profile. I have gone through some of the unique features and illustrated the benefits of a visual CV. There is no question over whether visual communication, styled and visual CVs, can be a powerful means of selling yourself far better than the traditional curriculum vitae. However, how well received your CV application is to an organisation depends on the culture of that organisation. In other words, a quirky organisation may appreciate a visually compelling, quirky application, but it will not work with the large corporations because they have their own application tracking system.